Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, choose Two-Sample T-Test from the Data Analysis tab. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the Group A column and then select the Group B column. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. The Normality Test tab in RAISINS checks if your data meet the assumption of normality before running tests, like t-test or ANOVA. It runs Shapiro-Wilk, Anderson-Darling, Lilliefors, and Jarque-Biraud tests and gives an overall decision, along with QQ plots for visual inspection. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab, Box Plot with t-test, Rain Cloud Plot, Beeswarm Plot, Strip Chart with Significance, Half-Eye Plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, RAISINS Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with RAISINS.live, and make your data speak.